because we're doing two ads, we're doing an ad for Zoe, and we're doing an ad for sorry, we're doing an ad for Zoe, and we're doing an ad for the designer. But they're going to be for the same product or gear or the same company. I haven't found images for, well, maybe this could be for the designer and another image could be for Zoe. So now if I want to use master pages, so actually I'm going to show you pages first. So I'm just going to zoom out, press my zoom tool here and just press down Alt to kind of zoom out. So I can see that I just have one page there. Press Command 0 again, or Control 0 to zoom to 100%. So if you don't have your Pages panel open, just go into Windows and Pages. And I can see that I just have one page. Now, if I click on this bottom icon here, you can see that more pages appear. And you can do it at ad infinitum. To zoom out, I can also press down my Control Command minus to zoom out or zoom in. And that's my maximum, I guess, there. And I can drag this down. You can see how many pages there are. So that's just creating multiple pages, and I can delete them by pressing the trash. Now, the difference between, I want to show you the difference between a page, which is here, and you can see that the top of this panel, there's another area called Master Pages. And by default, you're going to have just a none and then an A master. So if I wanted to create an ad that had something repeated on it, something over multiple pages, that's going to be exactly the same thing, that would be a good use of master pages. So I'll show you what that means. So for instance, if I wanted to create an ad for this adventure with the same text in exactly the same place and not have to actually recreate the text on individual pages, so I'm going to be doing 2 pages here. If I didn't actually want to just copy and paste the text, I can put it in my master page. So make sure that you click on a master page. And now when you click on that, you'll see that this blank page appears. If I click on my page, you'll see that that image is there. But if I want to click affect something on my master, I have to make sure that I've actually clicked on my master. And you can actually see that the master A is associated with these pages. So this actually has master A associated with it, but there is the actual master. So I'll show you what that means. So if I do anything on this master, so say I draw a rectangle and I fill it with some color, and I draw another rectangle and I fill it with another color, and I go back to my pages, you'll see that every time I've used that master, that whatever I've created on this master gets put on the actual page associated with that master. So, and it's locked. If I click on my black arrow key, I cannot move it. Now, it's going to be underneath this image, I know, but I know it's there. So I'm just going to go Object, Arrange, and oops, not doing that, Object, Arrange. There it is. Control Z to undo that. For some reason, it's not going. Right click. Well, I'll show you in layers what that means. So, oh, I created an extra master, so I'm just going to delete that. So, if I do anything, change anything in my master, say I put another color in there. Now, when I go back to my pages, it's updated. So, anything that you do in your master is going to be applied to any instant of that you've used that master in. So, I can create a new master, create new master, okay, and then I can do something on there like draw a circle, now it doesn't change these pages because this master is A. If I want to use master B, I would have to click on this master. Sorry, that's my crazy dog. Oh, I'm creating new masters. That's not what I want to do. I want to create new pages, and I'm clicked on A, so it's not going to work. So the easiest way to do this is actually now just to drag that master onto top of this. But if I want to, I'm just going to get rid of all these. Shift click, delete these. If I want to just drag a new master here, and now when I click new master, yeah, the B will be associated. If I want to change this to be associated with a different master, this A, I can do right click, and I can, where is it? No, that's not how you do it. I just drag it there. Now when you press, oh, I keep doing that. See, even I do it. So you have to make sure that you're clicked in the right area, because I was clicked here and I'm saying new and it's created a new master, and that's not what I want to do. I want to create new pages. And see, now when I double click on this, there I'm on the pages again. So if I use my black arrow key, like I can't move any of that. So if I don't want that master, I can drag it to new master. If I just want none, I can also just drag the none onto it. So you're probably not going to draw a bunch of circles, but you might. I'm just going to delete this B master, and I'm going to click on this A master and just drag and select with my black selection tool, press delete. But I might want to create text. So using my text tool, I might want to do some text. So now I'm going to bring up my type window, character, and I'm going to select font. Let's do Whitney, and I'm going to say semi-bold, and I'm going to make it 30 point, and I'm going to call this adventure ad World Boots. World, yeah. And I'm going to make this a color. Now, I only have so many swatches, so I'm just going to use my color panel and click on CMYK using the drop down, and I'm going to use my spectrum. Now when I go back to my pages, you can see that Boots is there. If I go to create a new page, World Boots is going to be there. And now that's going to be useful when you're creating an ad over and or you're creating multiple ads using the same text and the same font. So for instance, this ad here, page 1, I'm just going to close down all these windows and move this one over. And I'm going to show you how to fix this in the next video. Now if I have another image here, like my rectangle frame, and close this down. File place. Select another image. No, it's way too small, so I'm going to right click and go fitting, fill frame proportionately, and it's pixelated, so I'm going to right click again and click display performance, high quality. And so the next video I'm going to show you how to change the layer order so we can fix this problem with the text being underneath the image.